Hi, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. It's always fun for me personally to just learn everything that you bring to us for just some healthy options. So what are we doing for today?
Okay, so we're making a stuffed poblano. So a poblano is a very mild green chili. Okay, so we're gonna roast this, and so you can't do it on the induction cooktop. I mean, I guess you could roll it around in a dry pan and kind of achieve the same thing, but you can broil it in your broilers till the skin is very, very black, or what I do at home, because I have a gas stove, is to just turn it on that open flame until it's black all over.
So you're not cutting it or anything?
No,
it's
just whole. And then put it in some foil until that skin starts kind of steaming off, and then take a paper towel, just kind of wipe that black skin off, and then when you're finished, it's going to look like that, magically.
Right. Magic.
Yes.
Just like that.
Yes.
Okay.
And so then the filling for these stuffed poblanos, I already have going some onion, garlic, and bell pepper. You could use whatever color bell pepper you want.
It already smells so good.
Yeah. And then we have some frozen corn.
Okay.
This pan may or may not be big enough.
Right. We may have overflowing filling.
Some seasoned black beans that are drained. So we just drained the excess bean juice out of there.
Okay. So you don't necessarily want the extra in something like this.
Right.
Okay.
And then some brown rice that we cooked earlier. So 2 cups of cooked brown rice. And again, the recipe is going to be on the website. But this is just going to get all sauteed together.
Okay.
And then we have some chili powder. You could put cumin or both, a little salt and pepper. And I am making a mess.
So good. Hey, that's all right. That's what I would be doing too. So you're good.
So this is just going to get all cooked together. Really, you're just heating it all the way through. Okay, this is too small. I'm throwing it all over the cooktop.
We're just getting everybody very excited. They can see all the ingredients. It's going everywhere.
Yes. Okay, so we're going to pretend that I have stirred this up like really, really well.
Okay. Now, does it need to be cooking for so long, or you're basically just trying to heat it through?
I mean, really, it's not even that crucial that you heat it all the way through. You could go ahead and cook this. I just wanted to make sure and cook the onions and the pepper and the garlic.
Okay.
And so anyway, you could make this ahead of time and then refrigerate it. And then you're just going to spoon this filling into the poblano.
Oh, it looks so good.
And then you could use red or green or whatever you want, but I want a lot of enchilada sauce.
Okay.
So go ahead and kind of put it on the bottom, so when you get a bite, there's going to be a lot. Yep.
Just looks so fancy too. Like
really does.
I'm always so impressed that the recipes are not that hard. I mean, anybody can do them, but yet you can make it look like you've been slaving.
Right? Okay. And so this is actually going to go into the oven until it's bubbling and cooked all the way through. We're going to take it out, and then you could add a little bit of cheese, sour cream, all the little
bit of
things
toppings that you would want on there like you normally would.
And that's what we have here. So we just have a little cilantro.
Finished one, and I've been waiting because it looks amazing.
So this is not one that we're going to say, oh, you can do this in 4 minutes for your family. Like, it's going to take a little bit longer, but it can be done in stages. I mean, we roasted these peppers yesterday and then peeled them today and stuffed them today. So it's still not difficult.
Right. You can do it in phases, like you said. So if you have to throw it together at the last minute, it is delicious. Thank you. If you want to learn more about this recipe or any of the other recipes, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.